Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol XXII. You can see that the stock was crazy. Last Friday it was up 140% end of the day, but at one point it was up almost like 158, 160%. Even after hour it went up, then came down only 12%. Still lots of sentiment. Still the stock is looking good. If it holds certain key level, this thing can move up again. So first of all, you know that some news came, right? Some news came April 4th. Just signed large new CMO customer. So most probably you know the news. So I'm not going through the news, but I want to talk about the support, resistance chart, short interest, those kind of thing. And yesterday Xxii, even though it was moving pretty early, and some of my Discord member they mentioned the stock, so I was little late, but I was just watching the stock, especially like when I saw a nice pattern here. You can see that when I saw it was moving between these lines 2.8 and 3.3, then that was the alert that watch for 3.25 breakout, and then it broke, and you can see that it went all the way to 4.3, which is really good. And in terms of trading, if you took breakout 3.25, it went to 4.3, which means more than 30% move you got. We also played MDIA, CADL. You can see all of our suggested entry as per the alert. They went up, and it was a good day even with option and other ticker symbols. So Friday was in general a very good day, and we made some money. And if you want to join my trading community, use the link in the first comment, patreon.com/the stock analyst. You can go there and sign up, then you will be invited to join our community. So if you look at XXII, first of all, they did some reverse stock split, and you can see that the volume is huge last Friday, over 60 million volume. So that is really good, especially when you go and see their float. The float is only 3.26 million. It's a small float company. That is one important thing. Also, if you want to see the short interest, you can see as at the Ortex. Let me open the short interest. Yeah, is quite high, 13.79%. 13.79 Friday it was running, then it became 16.28%. So the short interest is higher. That is one important thing. The utilization is 100%, so no shares available to short, don't forget that. Okay, now let's look at the chart. First of all, so it ran little bit Friday night, not Friday, I think it was Thursday. Yeah, then what happened then? Am I mixing up? It was Friday. Yeah, so Friday pre-market morning, like it was $3, then it came down all the way to 1.6. So it was not looking that strong, because in the morning it came down a lot. Once the market opened, it started pushing up. It went up all the way to 3.6, came down, and it was moving between the channel 2.8, 3.25, right? So what happened? Again it broke 3.25, went all the way to 4.3, came down, and now it is trying to hold this particular 3 area. This coming week I want to make sure that if it holds $3 or even 2.79, 2.8, this area, this thing can run only if volume comes. Okay, that's one important thing. Now if I go to a 1 hour chart, look what happened. They did a split, as I told you, 1/16, right? So if I want to look at a bigger picture, even on a 4 hour chart, if it goes to 4.3, and if it can break 4.3, I see that the stock has room to move all the way to 5.25, all the way to 6.5. It all depends on volume, but there is not a lot of resistance in this particular area. So if volume comes, this thing can move. So in order to see the gap up, let's do something. I'm gonna turn off the extended hour. So yeah, it's looking good, not bad. This I'm also going to check something. Yes, from 4.3 I see some area all the way to 5.25, and after that I see all the way to 6.4. So the chart is looking good. Only thing is it needs volume, and it needs to hold that $3 area. If it breaks 3, it might come down. So we will keep an eye on this particular ticker symbol. Still, I don't want to say it is over, because it all depends. If we get more volume pre-market, this thing can run. Anyway, let me know your thoughts, and Yeah, and if you want to join our trading community, want to know about the chart support resistance, want to get some trade ideas about my picks, also if you want to ask about your picks, you are also welcome to do that. Use the link in the first comment, go there, sign up,